So we have a couple of things on the back of our transom that need to come off. It is so beautiful here today, and the boatyard is buzzing and full of people working. Including us. We've been working, but when the weather's really gross, it's kind of slow going. So this project today is we need to get this out, get that thing off. I don't even know what that thing is. I got a smaller piece of wood off a few minutes ago. That wasn't bolted from the inside, it was just screws into the fiberglass. So that one was simple. This one's going to take a little bit more effort. Our hatch is where those bolts are. Alright. So there's our bolts that have to come off. One was broken and came right off, but I got 3 more to do. So this gets a little awkward trying to figure out laying down on my belly, reaching in the locker and over the top and filming this. So Liberty's gonna help me today and we're gonna figure this out together, right, Liberty?
Yep.
Now the question is, are these tight enough out there that I don't need to hold on to the other side? Whew. Okay, I lost that nut down inside there, but it came off. This one's just spinning, so I'm gonna have to hold on to it. Oh, nope, it's loose. Yay!
Looks good, Mom.
Looks good?
Mm-hmm.
Now that didn't take very much. Yay!
Good, Mom.
Okay, those came off pretty easy. Now I need to see if they'll come out.
Okay, guys, watch the wood things. She can get them out.
Oh my goodness.
This is hard work.
It is. Okay. That one's out.
Is this full?
Nope,
Where is it?
I got it.
Okay. I thought it fell.
All right, so this sucker is 5,200'd on.
What is that for, Mom?
I don't know.
Looks like that one's glued in.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah, I don't think you're gonna get that one out easily with your hands.
I think you're right, Liberty. I don't think that's coming out easy. It was bent.
Oh yeah, it's bent really bad.
We've got this one bent screw that we need to get off. It's through bolted.
Yeah. Yeah, that's coming. If it wasn't bent, it would probably be easier.
Okay. There are times when I just don't have the muscles it takes.
Yeah.
I think we need Dad.
Yep.
Do you have man muscles?
Daddy's coming. He has man muscles.
You have man muscles?
Think about this one? Or were you talking about this one right here?
Okay. So we got the vice grips on the outside
Okay.
Okay.
and the wrench in there.
Do you need help?
Liberty, you need me to go out there? Is that what you need?
No, I need you to take it off. You're gonna do something different than I did.
I'm just gonna make it easier to hold on to. Where's my socket?
It's on the nut.
Is that it?
Sometimes it takes a better tool.
Good job, Dad.
Thank you.
Okay, so the other thing, the bolts are out, but we can't get the wood off. It's 5,200.
Yeah, it's hard.
Really? 5,200 again?
And one of the screws won't come off. Don't fall, Dad.
I'll try not to, Abigail.
You get it out better than Mom did.
I do?
Yes.
Don't tell Mom that. So with this off, all the screws are out, is that correct?
Yes.
All of them except for that one. Now it's out.
Half of it.
Abigail, don't come down.
It's off.
Don't go down.
Anything else you need my man muscles for?
Okay, he told me to use the drill, and I preferred to use the socket. Guess he was right, and I was wrong. So that's it for today's boat bit. Getting pieces off of the boat that don't belong there. Watch from the beginning of this adventure right here. And if you'd like to become a patron and see more behind the scenes and other candid bloopers, check out over here. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.